Tired of digging for your wallet every time you need gas? This video will show you exactly how to use Cash App to pay for gas, making fueling up faster and easier. First, make sure you have the Cash App card activated. If you don't have one, tap the Cash Card tab, usually found on the bottom of your screen. Follow the prompts to order a physical card. Once you have your Cash Card, add funds to your Cash App balance. You can link your bank account and transfer money easily. Remember to add enough to cover your gas purchase. At the gas pump, simply insert your Cash App card like you would any debit card. Select your desired fuel grade, then enter the amount of gas you wish to purchase. The pump will likely pre-authorize a higher amount than you need. Don't worry, you'll only be charged for the actual amount of gas you pump. After you're done fueling, check your Cash App activity feed. You'll see the final transaction amount, reflecting only what you used. Keep an eye out for Cash App boosts or rewards programs that can give you cashback on gas purchases. These offers change, so check the boost section regularly. That's it, paying for gas with Cash App is convenient and can potentially save you money. Subscribe for more Cash App tips and tricks.